miles an hour.
I'll do the HC running.
And for Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-20s. And now, taking a look at the extended forecast. For Saturday, mostly sunny. Warmer with high.
Oh my, what the?
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn
ER10 didn't get it.
hazards.
Yeah, I got it.
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, so it seems like
Alright.
got it.
Alright, we got it. Now.
Okay, so I got my first 991 activation.
Okay, so now we'll wait for the IPTV to go off as well.
So what I have to say is that
Hold on, let me pull up on my computer.
Except for
my well, because that's on State College.
Alright.
State Cuntage.
Oh,
I have to blur that out.
Okay.
Okay, so I can resume my music now because of copyright.
Alright, now it's coming.
Okay, it's coming.
Not theater mode!
Well,
Oh, here we go.
it's better in theater mode.
Okay, here it is.
Alright, and now WWD is going to go off momentarily as well, so get ready for that.
I don't even think my stream just ran.
Okay. Okay, now.
Drop!
Oh, copyright. Okay, here, I'll turn off the music again so I can get WWD. Alright, so now go back to my nerve stream because now we're about to do WWD weekly.
Alright.
Hold on. Alright. I'm
Here, yeah,
still
let's
filming.
do it. Yeah, I know. Do you have it here? Perfect, okay. Alright. So, if there's no copyright, then we should be good. Good, no music, okay, perfect. Alright, are you guys ready for it?
Yep.
Okay. This stupid thing's in the way, okay. Okay, I have to make my camera. Well, yeah, because I have to keep my camera there because I'm controlling it from my computer here.
It's not rolling.
Alright, I paused the recording, so now.
Okay. Well,
Why are you not working? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Okay. I have to censor that out too. But it's okay though. It's no biggie.
No, my computer is literally not loading.
Here, you can get it on a.
No, I got it now.
Okay, ready? Do it. Ready? Okay. Here we go. Okay, I have to lower the tones. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm ending it from my computer here.
Thank you.
No, I'm creeping on you. Okay, now.
Okay, it's coming.
Alright.
I know that. My God.
Hold on, it's pause for me.
Then no, it should be coming in.
Okay. It's literally paused on my side.
Okay, well then I'm moving it over to the computer.
Same.
Sorry guys, I have to man it from my computer here.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker,
Now your
Pennsylvania,
computer's
on a
doing it.
frequency of
What? Hold on.
16.425 megahertz.
Yeah, it's going to turn it off.
Tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones
I'll
to
say
warn
this
of
after.
impending
I get it.
hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.
Alright, now it's time for my my easy relay.
Oh,
And
yeah.
in case y'all didn't know, I'm here with Antonio and JR
Okay.
here.
Yeah, so
Yes.
and by the way, I'm just going to I'm going to trim my video out and do it in like different snippets. That's what.
I'm doing the easy stream too.
Oh,
It should be coming.
here, Joe's computer. Joe's computer is
I got it here, so.
already getting it.
What was that?
Well, like eat like that.
Alright.
So now State College.
Now we gotta get State College.
And then by the way, I'll feature you guys at the end of the video. I'm basically I'm basically trimming my video into snippets. So
Alright.
yeah.
I'm doing one long clip.
Well, I'm not.
Where's
Because,
WXL 40? Because I'm getting that too.
oh dang. Okay, well here.
Oh no!
I'm changing on
I can't get it.
I'm changing on my radio. Shoot.
Today, I was joined by...
Anytime on that's Mr. EAS.
SG2414.
Oh, frick you. You're not SG2414 four finger fox.
Oh God!
Anyway.
Anyway, I was so happy to do this collab today with these two at my house.
Yes.
Yeah, and I wish I never was here. I mean, what?
I wish you were here so that we can marry each other.
I'm gonna attack you!
Anyway, RC23 dude, I'm out.